We will first start with the DVD tribute module. First, on this screen, it's going to ask us to select an intro or an ending for the project. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Clouds theme and then click Next. From the intro and ending screen, this is going to be our overlay text that goes on top of the intro and the ending. This can be edited any way that you wish. Also, we have a defaults button that allows you to set the default font style, color, and size to anything that you wish. If you change the default, that'll save those changes for all future projects going forward. In the media screen, the first step is to add photos. Click the Add Photos button, hold down your Shift key, click the first and the last picture in your project, click Open, and that'll insert your photos. If you want to change the order of your photos at all, simply drag and drop the photo to a different position and let go. If you'd like to be able to add some video clips to your project, click the Add Videos button, hit Add from Online Library if you don't have any video clips already downloaded. From here, you can download as many video clips from our online library that you wish. Choose the one you want, hit Download. It'll then download it to your library. Once it downloads it to your library once, you never have to download it again. Check mark the one you want, hit OK. That'll insert the video at the end of your project. Then you can drag and drop the video to perfectly position it wherever you wish. You can put in as many or as little video clips that you want. The next step would be if you wanted to edit any of your photos. You can do that by clicking on a photo, click Edit Photo, and you'll see that we have Rotate, Crop, Auto Enhance, Red Eye Removal. We have some pretty neat effects that you can add as well. Black and white, sepia, antique, adjust the color tone, the contrast, brightness, matte, and edge blur. So no longer do you need any other photo editor. We have a professional editor built right into our software program. The next thing you might want to do is add motion to your photos. Simply do that by setting your start and your end squares. So for an example, let's say on this photo I wanted to do a pan effect from the left side of the photo to the right side. I would set my start square to the left. I would choose my end square, set this one to the right. And what this would do is this would automatically create a panning effect from the left to the right hand side of the photo. If I want to go right to the next photo to do something similar, I'd set my squares again. This time I'll make them a similar size, and then I'm going to do more of a panning effect from the bottom of the photo to the top of the photo. If I'm done, I click OK, and that automatically saves my changes. Another option that I have is to add caption to the top of the photo. By doing that, simply click on a photo, click Add Text, move the text box to wherever you want it, click inside the text box, and we can type in a name. And since that's white, we might want to change the font color, change it to black, and we'll set it over here. Once you get done with your caption, you click OK, and we have our captions completed. Now to move on to the next screen, we click the Next button. And here is our music library on the left-hand side. I currently don't have any music in my library yet, so I'm going to grab one. I'll grab a song out of our online library. You'll see that we currently have 3 different categories in the upper left: Celebration of Life, Leslie Bennett, and Paul Alexander. Those are all licensed music tracks that we have exclusively licensed for the Tribute Center. Now that I have a song inside of my music library, I can click on the song and I can click Add to Tribute. Over on the right, when I click Add to Tribute, you'll see that down on the bottom, it'll say Total Music Duration, has Photos in Tribute, and it has the display time for each photo. So our software automatically takes the total length of all the music that you want to add and it automatically divides that by the number of photos that you have, and then it'll display each picture at the appropriate time so that it's perfectly auto-synced at the end of the video. After you get done adding your music, simply click the Next button. From this screen, you'll choose what DVD menu you'd like. What you can do from this screen is add from online library. We actually have over 450 DVD menus for you to be able to choose from. What you'll notice is that on the DVD menu, we have two buttons that are pre-programmed onto the menu. One says Play Video, and the other one says Play and Loop. Play Video would be a good idea, or most commonly used, when you're at a church service and you only want to play the video one time and then it will stop. Play and Loop might be more commonly used when you're actually playing the video at the funeral home, and maybe you're playing the video for a visitation and you want it to constantly loop until you actually hit the stop button. So on your DVD remote control, you can simply push the play button that you want. After you choose your menu, just hit Next. From this screen, you can do a live preview of the video. At one click of a button, you can burn the DVD. Also, with our new version, you have the ability to be able to copy protect the disc. And then the last option is you're able to share on the internet. When you share it on the internet, our software program automatically converts the video file into a small internet-friendly format and then automatically uploads it to the internet. It creates a link, then you simply take that link and you copy and paste it into your website.